Here is the Seismic Audio female 1/4 inch TRS jack, and this is designed for wiring up to your own cable. So you will need to solder this onto a wire. Now it looks like you can just unscrew this end. Once you unscrew that end, you will need to unscrew this tiny Phillips screw here. Let's unscrew this. Then the end just slides out like that. Now if we look at this, so this is the 1/4 inch jack. It goes in there, and then you have a tip ring and sleeve contact. So if you look up close here, you'll see that you have 3 contact points. You have 1, 2, and 3. And you'll want to figure out which one is tip, ring, and sleeve. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I have a red TRS tip ring sleeve jack here. To test out the contacts for which is tip, ring, and sleeve, be sure to hold down on the red latch here and push this in. Okay. So now we have the other end here. I will go ahead and test this out. Let's try number 1 first. See if that corresponds to the sleeve is my guess. And that is correct. Let it beep. Let's see what number 2 is. Number 2, I think that may be, that's going to be the tip. That's correct. 2 is tip. 3 is ring then. And that is correct. So, number 1 is the sleeve, number 2 is the tip, and number 3 is the ring. So let's pull this jack out. Okay. All right. So now we can go ahead and solder our wire onto the appropriate contacts now that we know which pin corresponds to tip, ring, and sleeve. And when we put it back in, the sleeve, so this cable harness that kind of grabs onto the cable goes over the first contact there, and then we slide it back in like this. Just like so. It's going to stick out a little bit there. And this end would already be on your cable, hopefully. You didn't forget to put this on your cable before you solder. And then you could screw it back in like this. And this, it's a little bit of flexibility here. Feels rubbery at the very tip there. Then don't forget to put your screw back in. And that is your female 1/4 inch TRS jack.